What's up? I cannot believe I am sharing this with you, but I knew I had to share these exact strategies that I've been using and my clients have been using to see success because I really truly want to help you win. My name is Elle, your go-to social media marketing and business coach, helping you elevate your content attraction marketing strategy so you can scale your brand and business online using the power of social media. So you're probably here right now because you reached out to me in the DM, we've been having a conversation, and you really have been struggling with in regards to your content, your marketing, your messaging. It's not connecting with your ideal clients. You might be making posts and it's getting crickets and they're not leading to conversions, which means you're making content on social media for free. You're spending all these endless hours. Content is possibly frustrating you and you feel like you're just hit a wall and a roadblock and you're thinking, okay, I know there is a way. I know there is a better strategy. And that is why you are here watching this video right now. So I just want to say one, thank you. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this. Make sure to grab a pen and your favorite notebook because you're going to want to take notes. The strategies that I am giving you today are the strategies that people pay me top dollar for. And I'm literally giving you the secret sauce. All you have to do is implement the strategies outlined that you will learn in this training, and I guarantee you will see a result. And of course, at the end, I'm going to offer you an opportunity to partner with me where I can actually help you truly implement and execute this strategy consistently along with the client acquisition system in the background that will help you automate your business and streamline your sales process. So let's dive in. So when it comes to your social media, you want to think about your content as a funnel. As you see right here, this is your funnel. And what happens is when clients and your audience actually comes to you, there are different stages that they must go through before they become a client. I call this the client acquisition sales system, the A3 to close method. So the first A is awareness. Step one is you really want to introduce yourself to new eyes and followers who are not familiar with you and your page. Because you have to think about it. People don't marry you on the first date. They need time to get to know you. Are you the right fit for them? Are you the expert and the person that's going to help them solve a specific pain or problem or achieve a desired outcome that they envision every single night? Next is you want to capture their attention. So now that they are aware of you, you want to keep their attention to actually hit that follow button and continue to learn more. This is when you want to create content that is problem aware, solution driven. So again, it's speaking directly to your ideal client avatar. Next is attraction. So now that they're aware of you, you've got their attention, you want to keep them around. Like now they know that you are the secret sauce. You are the go-to expert. You are able to solve their problem, but why are you the best option? This is where you literally want to hook them in and take them to that next step in the relationship. They've now been on your page for a while, possibly. You guys have been dating, possibly having conversations in the DM or in your comments on your post, and you have consistently been speaking to their deepest desires. And next is the close. Now you have reached out, that person has either DM'd you directly or you started a conversation based off them taking action, which we're going to get into, and you've now reached out to them and invited them to a call to learn more about your offers and services and how you can actually partner with that individual and invite them to actually help them get to that desired outcome by you helping fill in that gap and they can get to their dream destination. So let's now break down each one of these steps. So in the awareness stage, this is when your audience, okay, they know they have a problem, but they don't know that you are the solution to that problem. So you really want to position yourself with this content as you are the credible source, you are the authority, and you want to make this content broad in the sense of it can speak to more of a general population, but still within your niche industry. So this is where you want to brag about yourself, brag about your accomplishments, tell your story, and allow them to see themselves in your story, where you once were when you started your business. Like I remember when I had no content strategy at all. I was creating all this endless content, not getting any results, and I couldn't understand why. And I really was struggling to take my business to that next level. I was creating very selfish based content, and I felt like I just wanted to give up. I was like, oh my gosh, I just want to give up on social media until I found this specific strategy, this specific route, which we're going to dive into with an example. And by you sharing that story and allowing your audience to see themselves in your story, you're now positioning yourself as an authority in your industry. And within that story, you want to share them the exact same frameworks, the exact steps. Like, this is exactly how I made my first six figures: market research, getting to know my audience, creating content that was solution driven, doing consistent polls, going live, and inviting my audience to take the leap and the next step with me. So you want to do that same thing with your content. And now I'm going to give you some real time examples that I've personally used that have helped me get and achieve a result. So this is an example of an awareness post. And within this post, as you can see here, I am talking about how I've generated $48,000 within the last 3 months on social media, and I started my page and business from zero. So immediately it's going to grab someone's attention. Like, what? You were able to do that and you just started from zero? I let them know, no, it's not. I didn't have to spend ads, and I've been able to consistently achieve 5-figure months with this 3-part strategy. And then you go into telling your story. So I talk about the how, clarity content. I create nurture, growth, and promotion posts, and I always have a call to action. This is helping me attract quality followers. I'm also rotating how I post. So I'm posting carousels, I'm going live, I'm in my stories, I'm posting reels, and so forth. I also am not focused on vanity metrics. I'm focused on creating quality content, because some of my best performing converting posts don't have a lot of likes, a lot of shares, but they are connecting with, again, that one person. And that's all you need is one. And then I continue to go into the how, into the strategy. And at the end, always offering a specific call to action on how someone can connect with me. And after awareness is attention. Now that they are aware of you and they're in your world, they now know that you offer them a solution, but they're still unsure, are you the best fit for what they are looking for? And that's where you want to share a client story and testimonial. You want to share the struggle that a client went to and overcame. So now there is social proof. Like, wow, not only were you able to do this for yourself, if applicable, but you were also able to do this for a client. And seeing a client's win and that audience member seeing themselves in that client, they're going to see like, oh, wow, this is possible for me too. And again, you give the exact framework of how they got a specific result that is achievable. So this is an example of me now sharing a client story, struggle that she started with, and then the outcome that she was able to achieve. So she was literally almost evicted to then achieving 14K consistent months, all within less than 3 months. Then I go into the how. Problem revealing content, really sharing why her clients needed to start taking their health seriously. She's a health coach. She also started sharing her personal story, sharing her why. I go into the exact strategy that she implemented. Then I also embed some social proof. And at the end, I give a call to action. Hey, DM me results and I'll send you the how for free. So that is an example of the attention. Next is attraction. This is when they're sold. Like, they know that you offer the solution to their problem. They know that you are the expert, you're the best option, and they're still just waiting for that last little connection. Like, have you ever been on a relationship and you've like been debating, like, do I want to take this to the next step? Do I want to make him my boyfriend? Do I want to make him my girlfriend? And it's just like one little thing that they do is like, okay, I can honestly say that's why I love you. That's why this person is the one. And you want to make them think about that when it comes to you as an online coach or business. You want them to see you as the one, like you are speaking their language. And how you do that is you give them a direct opportunity to say, hey, I'm in, and raise their hand. And this is where you give them a direct call out that's speaking to their deepest desire and outcome. Share with them exactly how to connect with you and what next steps to take. And now here is an example of an attraction piece of content. This is literally speaking to my exact ideal client, to their pain and the outcome they desire. Hey, if I could help you build a content system that shares your story to attract and sell soulmate clients for $3,000 to $10,000 without being salesy, without ads, without cold DMs, because again, I know that these are things that the average online coach is thinking like, oh, I don't like being salesy. I don't want to have to run ads. I hate doing cold DMs. Would you be interested? Then I talk about my story. My content storytelling system has gained me 80,000 followers on all social platforms, letting me speaking engagements, working with billion-dollar brands, generating multiple six figures. Now I'm speaking from the pains and the ooks and the frustrations to the desired dream outcomes. Oh, I would like to do speaking engagements. I would like to partner with billion-dollar brands. I would like to generate multiple six figures. If that's you, comment info. Let's implement the system together. And then what happens? DMs flood in. DMs flood in. People of ideal clients wanting to achieve these similar results in their business. And then lastly, when they do take that leap with you, that's where the close comes in. That's when now you've reached out to them, you've built rapport, you've created a connection, you started the conversation in the DM, you learned about their specific goals, and you may share a video resource for them to actually get a result. And you might share client testimonials and then invite them to a call to learn more about your specific offer and services. And the key piece to this system is once you have made your audience aware, you've captured their attention, you've hooked them in, and now they're attracted to what you are selling and offering and putting down, and you're leading them to the close. The key is to always end with specific call to actions on every single post. So in the awareness stage, hey, make sure to follow me because again, they are new. They are brand new to your page. So you want them to actually follow you. Hey, if you enjoy this piece of content, make sure to follow for more content like this. DM, text, or comment keyword to get access to this free resource. Maybe you have a freebie, an ebook, a training series for them again to get to know you and be in your world. And the attention content strategy, you want to end with, hey, thank you for taking the time for reading this. Remember, make sure to text specific, again, keyword if you want to stop that pain point. This is someone in the middle. So my example keywords are access, results, and then lastly is info. And that will let you know where they are in their customer journey in regards to how hot they're ready to buy. And then lastly in the attraction is, hey, remember to send keyword to learn how we can help you achieve similar results. So drop in the comments right now, like if your favorite emoji, if this is making sense to you, if you're seeing some ahas like, oh my gosh, that makes perfect sense. Let me know if your pen and paper is just scribbling right now, like, oh my gosh, I need to make sure I'm capturing this down. If you're finding this useful and helpful, please let me know in the comments below with like, oh my gosh, this is mind blowing. I need to implement this strategy right away. And the dopest part is not only having wins for myself, but seeing my clients win from implementing similar strategies. So this is our Nitra, it's a past client. So when she started implementing this client acquisition sales system into her business consistently, she started achieving consistent 20 plus to 30K months. Then you have Latoya, who you just saw on one of my posts that I actually shared on social media. Within 3 months, she was able to achieve her 14K month. And since she's now completely online, achieving $20,000 months, I actually just shared that today in one of my recent posts. Then this is Deidre. She recently joined my Convert to Scale Mastermind. And this is her personal testimony that she recently shared with me.
Just finished my sales call and I got the sale. Oh my God. I can't believe I got the sale. Following exactly what you told me to do. It was just honestly so easy to follow. I'm just so grateful that you gave me this process. Every single thing that you told me to do, I did it and it was successful. It was wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. $3,800, 6 months with a down payment of $650. Oh my God, it happened. It happened. I'm so excited.
And what's amazing about Deidre is when she came to me, we met on a call and she was undercharging and her program was too short. So we actually increased the length of her offer. We redefined and repackaged her offer and we raised her price. So now she is acquiring high ticket clients anywhere from $1,500 to $4K. Some pay in full and some are in payments plans. And this is what's possible for you when you implement this client acquisition sales system into your business. This is Akani. He recently had an amazing growth season. I remember in the first beginning of the year, he was talking about how frustrated he was with his content, his marketing. So we repositioned it, we rebranded. And for 3 months, he really wasn't hitting his goals. And when he started making these tweaks and changes, he literally went viral. His page has gone bananas, grown from 7,000 followers to I think he's almost at 90,000 followers. Lots of his content is going viral for him, and his leads are off the chain. This is his testimonial.
Hey, what's going on? God has blown my mind. Like Friday was my last day of work because now I'm at the point where I need to really fulfill these leads, fulfill these orders. But no, my conversion rate right now, based on the leads, like literally, I have 100 leads in my pipeline right now, and my conversion rate is like 23% right now. And bro, I set a goal. We finally hit that 10K mark. Set a goal. We exceeded that. We damn near about to double it. I still got some hours left at this month, but I got some calls left tonight. So hey, God has blown my mind beyond what I could ever ask or imagine. So yeah, no, this thing is growing, and this freaking video is still going viral. It's going viral on Facebook right now because I posted it to Facebook. It's doing well everywhere.
So with Akani, can you guys hear, like, he was able to leave his 9 to 5. Now he has more time freedom with his wife and his son. They're traveling together. He's actually now consistently hitting 20K months. His lead flow is insane. He's had to hire a team. This is what's possible when you really dial in and create a clear content attraction marketing system into your business. You're going to get clients on repeat. This is another client, Collier. Collier came to me. She literally had less than 300 followers. This just goes to tell you your follower count doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have 100 followers. You only need to connect with that one right soulmate client. And she was creating the content, and she ended up closing a $3,000 sale for a 60-day commitment, pay in full. That just goes to show you that idea that you need all these followers to grow your business online. That is false. I want you to go ahead and eliminate that out of your head right now. And so if you know that you want real results like these, you know that you're tired of the hamster wheel of creating endless content, you literally only need 90 minutes a week, 90 minutes a week to set your focus on an intention to create this content, batch it, post it with specific strategy, and see results. So if you know that you want to see results like these, comment info to learn how we can help you achieve similar results and implement this client acquisition sales system into your business. Or go ahead and apply at the link in the description below. And if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out. I look forward to connecting with you in the DMs and hopefully partnering soon to help you scale your online business.